guys, I'm Shrishma here and welcome to my channel. Today we are testing two of the overnight techniques, the silk rod versus the sock curls. And yes, I will be showing you how I do it and the results, so you should just go ahead and subscribe because I'm not putting it into different videos. So we're gonna do the sock curls first. Okay, I'm doing my best to explain it, but hopefully seeing it will also help. But basically, it's almost like doing a French braid or like a fishtail braid, where you just add a chunk to the piece you're working on. So you grab a piece, put it over the sock, and then you grab another bunch of hair, and then tuck that under over. I hope that made sense. Hopefully the visual helps. Sorry, I'm not good at explaining. I'm a visual learner. My problem with doing the socks is sometimes I'm just trying to get my hair around it, so I don't pay attention to where I start or how I angle it. So if you can focus on that, definitely try. So try to start at about the same height and also try to angle them the same when you go around your head. And for me, I was aiming to kind of cradle my head, have it a little bit under my neck area so I could sleep better. And I was able to do that, and to me the socks are more comfortable to sleep with. I hope that made sense. If you have any clarifying questions, let me know. So the curls came out, they came out good. They're like kind of more, like some of them are curls and most of it's like big, like really pretty waves, which is fine. For me, like the overnight sock method kind of gives me like both sides look a little different. Like they don't quite match up, you know, like I said before, just the way you position the sock just gives you a different look. It pulls, like it curls hair at different angles, and it's just like not exactly symmetrical, I would say. And versus the rod, I think, you know, because it's one structure, it can kind of like hold itself in place, and the socks are two separate things, so it's harder to get them more symmetrical. Up next we have the silk rod. I bought this, it came with the pink scrunchie. It came with two, but I lost the other one. I will link this below on Amazon if you're interested in getting it. Basically, you know, obviously part your hair and everything, and then I just plop this on and use a claw clip. It came with a claw clip too, but I broke mine, whoopsie, and it was pink too. I was so sad. But anyway, yeah, just plop this on, put a claw clip on the side of the head you're not working on, so like it stays in place, and basically do the same thing as you did with the sock. So just like grab one section over the rod, grab a section of hair, and then under over. So yeah, hopefully that made sense. Alrighty guys, so you've seen both the sock and the silk rod. Which one is your favorite? For me, my favorite is the silk rod. I just like how these curls come out so much better, and even though like when I started it was up here, but when I went to sleep it went backwards, and this side I think got a little bit looser than this side. I would say in general they look pretty even, but with the socks I feel like it's definitely like a hit or miss depending on where you place the sock, or you know how it ends up, or how tight you roll it. So yeah, I just prefer this because it's like slightly more, you have more of a chance of having more symmetrical curls rather than the sock. The only thing is I prefer sleeping with the socks because I can create like the cushion that I was talking about behind my head, and this one like I have to like tie it up. I've seen a girl, she told me to go ahead and try it like putting my hair upwards instead, and it's easier to sleep. Never tried that, so I might have to do a video trying that technique out, but these are the ways I do it so far. If you like this video, definitely subscribe. That would help me out. I would super appreciate it, and let me know if there's any other like overnight heatless curl stuff you'd like to see, because it's fun to do. So yeah, thanks you guys so much for watching. Bye.